Hi, here we have a very nice, extremely usable example of a DB6. It's a manual with matching numbers and it's in good solid order throughout. Cosmetically quite attractive, extremely well priced in the marketplace, and will be supplied fully serviced and ready to drive and enjoy. If you can have a look at it, the wheels are all really nice. Chassis is very solid. It has had some chassis repairs in the past, and it's very solid and usable. It's got the lovely feature of the sliding factory fitted Webasto roof, which is a fantastic feature. It's like having a Volante and a saloon all in one. Look at that, guys, beautiful. That really opens up. It's got the interior is a delightful patina. Lovely, lovely interior, very tidy. I think the interior is one of the strong spots on the car. Original manual 5-speed ZF. Super nice car. We'll just go under the bonnet and have a quick look now. We're going to lift the bonnet for you to look. Coachwork all tidy. It's in the classic Silver Birch colour. Engine's had a expensive rebuild and runs extremely sweet. And it's detailed as well, guys. Get a look in there. And don't forget, we've got a ridiculously attractive price on the car. It's really priced to sell. $249,950. Includes a full service and preparation for you, and free mainland UK delivery included in the price at $249,950. It's just a car that you need to buy, guys. Okay, over and out.